Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, your go-to channel for all things wellness. We're dedicated to providing you with the latest health tips, delicious recipes, and inspiring wellness content. If you're as passionate about health as we are, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us. Let's dive into today's video. Welcome to our exploration of the Hunza people, a remarkable community nestled in the mountains of Pakistan. Known for their extraordinary longevity and vibrant happiness, the Hunza lead a lifestyle rich in tradition and wellness. Join us as we uncover the 8 secrets contributing to their long, fulfilling lives. Secret 1. Natural diet. The Hunza people's diet is a cornerstone of their longevity. It emphasizes whole, plant-based foods. Rich in local produce, their meals often feature nutrient-dense apricots and wholesome grains. This natural diet fuels their bodies and promotes overall health, which is vital to their remarkable lifespan. Secret 2. Active lifestyle. The Hunza people embrace an active lifestyle filled with daily physical activities like farming and walking through their stunning mountainous terrain. This commitment to movement enhances their physical fitness, contributing significantly to their overall health. Their high activity levels are key to their impressive longevity and vibrant vitality. Secret 3. Strong community bonds. In Hunza, strong community bonds are crucial in fostering happiness and well-being. Regular gatherings and support systems create a sense of belonging, enhancing emotional health. These deep social connections not only uplift spirits, but also provide psychological benefits, contributing significantly to the overall longevity of the Hunza people. Secret 4. Positive mindset. The Hunza people are known for their optimistic outlook, which significantly impacts their health and longevity. Elders often share wisdom, emphasizing the power of positivity. By adopting a similar mindset, viewers can enhance their well-being and embrace a healthier, happier life, just like the inspiring Hunza. Hunza community. If you love our content, why not become part of our vibrant community by hitting that subscribe button? We're all about sharing today's recipes and wellness inspiration. Now let's jump back into today's video and discover exciting new ways to boost your health. Secret 5. Connection with nature. The Hunza people's deep connection with nature is evident daily as they engage with the breathtaking landscapes. This relationship offers numerous mental and physical health benefits, promoting relaxation and vitality. Viewers are encouraged to spend more time outdoors, embracing the healing power of nature. Secret 6. Traditional practices. The Hunza people rely on traditional practices like herbal medicine and natural remedies to promote health and wellness. Their rich cultural heritage emphasizes the importance of these time-tested methods. Viewers are encouraged to explore and incorporate traditional wellness practices into their lives, fostering a deeper connection to their health. Secret 7. Lifelong learning. In Hunza culture, education and lifelong learning are highly valued, emphasizing the importance of staying mentally active. The community encourages knowledge sharing and personal growth, with elders often mentoring the younger generation. Viewers are inspired to pursue their learning journeys, enriching their lives and enhancing their well-being. Secret 8. Spiritual well-being. Spirituality and mindfulness play a vital role in the happiness of the Hunza people. Meditation and prayer foster inner peace and connection to a higher purpose. Viewers are encouraged to explore their spiritual paths, discovering the profound impact spiritual well-being can have on overall happiness. In summary, the 8 secrets of the Hunza people: natural diet, active lifestyle, strong community bonds, positive mindset, connection with nature, traditional practices, lifelong learning, and spiritual well-being offer valuable insights for longevity and happiness. Remember these key takeaways, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and explore related content.